Hello guys, in this video we'll be completing the hands-on challenge from the unit Define Sharing Rules. So in this challenge the objective is to create a custom pick list in the object called project. We'll be defining the pick list values as high, medium and low, and whenever the priority of the project is high, that needs to be shared with the training coordinator using the sharing rule. So to do that, you must have completed the previous unit where we created the role training coordinator. So make sure you completed the previous unit challenge. Let's jump into our Trailhead playground. Once we are in the setup window of our Trailhead playground, let's jump into our object manager to find our object project. So this is where we'll be creating our pick list. Let's go to fields and relationships and new field, which is going to be a pick list, and let's go to next. Let's copy paste our field label, which is priority. Enter values each line. So let's write values separated by line, high, medium and low. Make the field visible to all profiles and add it to page layouts. Okay, we'll remember that. Click on next, and this is where we leave the checkbox ticked to add it to page layouts. So now we have created our custom field pick list for the project object. Now let's jump back into our setup home to find sharing rules. So here we will be checking the settings for the object project. So let's click project and let's create a new sharing rule over here. Let's copy paste the label. Okay, we can choose any label. Let's write sharing high priority project. Okay, let's copy our rule name. Okay, and the rule type is based on criteria. Field is priority and operator is equals, and the value is high. So we only want our high priority projects to be shared. So, and let's share with a role, which is going to be the training coordinator. So let's search for it. That's perfect. And the access we'll be giving is read only. So the access is read only. And one more thing is we have to make sure that the organization-wide defaults for the project object are set to private. So let's first save this. The recalculation of sharing will continue in the background. Okay, so this is going to take some time. Okay, So the organization-wide defaults are defaultly set to private, so we can leave it as it is. So let's check if we have done everything right in this challenge. We have completed the challenge successfully. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.